Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys the best money methods you guys can do right now to make millions of dollars or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in GTA 5 online. And most of these money methods in today's video have almost zero requirements, so anybody can do these money methods right here, even if you're a beginner or an experienced player with tons of money. And if you do find today's video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you can just go ahead and hit that like button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If we hit 150 likes on today's video, I'll go ahead and post another best money methods for next week. And with all that out of the way, let's get into the video. And also, before today's video does start, if you guys could go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, I would greatly appreciate it. And before today's video does start, a word from our sponsor. If you're looking for a GTA 5 modded account or even account boosting for GTA 5 online, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Tiimedesign down below. They sell GTA 5 modded accounts, cash services, ranking boosts, modded cars, and even modded outfits for PlayStation 4, Xbox One, PC, and even the new next-gen consoles. So if you guys are looking for GTA 5 modded accounts or even cash services, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Tiimedesign down below. And let's get into the video. Now, to start off this first money method, pull up your phone and you should get this text from somebody called Still Sleeping in Los Santos. Once you get the text, come over to this exact location I'll be showing you, okay? So once you get that text, come over to this location. It's located right by the casino, like right behind it. So as you guys can see, this is the exact location. Come over here once you get the text from Still Sleeping. And now I'll be showing you guys all the 10 locations for this, and you'll be able to get 200,000 just from this one money method, okay? So yeah, let's get into it. Now, the first location I'll be showing you in today's video is going to be located right here by the industrial area. So let me go and show you on the map, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in slowly for you so you guys can just go and see it. Now, also, if you don't own a Personal Mark II or a Deluxo, you guys can always just go ahead to the airport or any random helipad, and there should always be a helicopter there for you to go ahead and steal, and then you guys can just go ahead and head over to these locations, making it much more easier for you, okay? So once you're here, just go ahead and press right D-pad on it, and then you should be able to get 10,000 for the first one. Now guys, keep in mind, all 10 of these locations here will add up to 250,000, and the money glitch I'll be showing you later on the video will also get you another 250,000. So basically, this is like super easy. It has zero requirements, so if you are a beginner or a low level or just need cash super quick, I recommend for you guys to go ahead and do these two money methods I'll be showing you in today's video, since they have almost zero requirements and anybody can do them. So yeah, I'll go ahead and be quiet now, and then you guys can just go ahead and pause the video for all 10 of these locations right here I'll be showing on today's video, and just head over to them. So yeah, I'll be right back for the next money method I'll be showing you later on, so make sure you stay to the end. Now the next money method is going to be kind of similar to the last one I showed you, but this one is going to be underwater. So we got to find 10 crates underwater. Now this one's kind of simple. All you got to do is go ahead and swim to the location. Now if you can't afford a submarine, I recommend to go ahead and just get this rebreather right here. You guys can go and get it from any gun store around the map if you want. But yeah, or you guys can just go ahead and use this submarine right here, or the new vehicle called the Torito. But yeah, but for me, I just used the rebreather. I literally took my oppressor to the location, got a boat, and just swam under the water using the rebreather than the submarine, because some locations are far away from each other and all that. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you the first location, and you guys can just go ahead and pause the video to see where they are located at. So I'll be showing you all 10 locations for them. So yeah, let's get into it. Now the final location is going to be located right here. It's pretty close to the last one I showed you, so it's going to be right here. Now you just want to go ahead and take your Torito or your submarine over to it, but for me, I'll just go ahead and swim to it. Now if you want to do this way more faster, just get a Mark II oppressor and a dinghy, and that's pretty much it. That's like the easiest way to do it. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, hopefully this money method here was able to make you some cash in GTA 5 Online. Now guys, I promise next week I'm gonna post a better money method, and that will make you way more money than this one. So make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below with notifications on, so when I do drop it, you don't miss out the video. And if you guys are new to the channel, consider dropping a like on today's video. And yeah, Tiimedesign signing out. Peace.